Namaste, ma'am.
It's a great day. PM is going to address all doctors. IMA headquarters is organizing a function. In another 5 minutes, his talk will be there. I'm sure it will be repeated there. So it is definitely a great day that, he has saluted this morning. Great greetings on a happy Doctors' Day. And this is a warm greetings for all doctors who are of modern medicine as well as allied medicine doctors. The country salutes them. As far as I am concerned, when I was young, I wanted to become a university teacher or an IS officer. But I think the fate has other thing in store for me. My father wanted me to be a doctor and a gynecologist, and here I am. I joined medicine in '64. And in the last 48 years, I've seen good times and bad times as far as the doctor fraternity is concerned. But I can say one thing, that no amount of awards, mementos, speeches can summarize the gratitude of any person who has taken the services of doctors. This can be Sharda in question, this can be anybody in question. Doctor is a doctor, and the gratitude cannot be summed up. But what I can say, whether you love it or you hate it, you take it or you leave it. There is a symbiosis of doctor-patient relationship. When I go to America, I tell my daughter, I'm not a doctor, I'm a mother here. Because doctor's existence is only when the patients are around. And the patients have no alternative but for doctors. I can say at the end of the day that I feel proud to be a doctor. And in my next birth, if it is there, I will also want to become a doctor and a healer. We elders and the citizens of this country realize your importance. And today the head of the state is also talking about that the country is grateful, the government of India is grateful for all what you have done in this difficult times of Corona pandemic. आपने इस चुनौती का पूरी तरह से गवर्नमेंट को सहयोग दिया है. For your selfless service, for your life-saving services, आपके इस सहयोग के लिए the government of India and the people of this country are grateful to you. We know that 3.5 lakhs of people have died in spite of the best of the efforts. And we come number 3 as far as the whole world is concerned. And we have lost 1,500 doctors. I think great salute to all those people, which I call a Corona martyrs. अभी कोरोना की लड़ाई खत्म नहीं हुई, सालों साल चलने वाली है. So, great thanks from that particular behalf that what you have done, but you must कमर कसनी पड़ेगी अब आगे के लिए. And to popularize Corona vaccine, again the Prime Minister is very thankful that the doctors have done a great role. अब आगे आपको जो कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन प्रेगनेंसी में है और लैक्टेशन में है उसको भी पॉपुलराइज करना है. Here I can say that DGF, Delhi Medical Association, and the Delhi Police have decided there will be no zero tolerance as far the doctors' violence is concerned. And all of you must know about it. There is a Delhi Medicare Act. इस कानून के तहत किसी भी अस्पताल में अगर तोड़ फोड़ हो, डॉक्टर के साथ या उनके स्टाफ के साथ कोई अभद्र व्यवहार हो, कोई मारपीट हो, इस उपरोक्त कानून के तहत गैर जमानती पुलिस केस होगा, नॉन बेलेबल, गिरफ्तारी होगी, नुकसान की डबल भरपाई होगी, डबल भरपाई, 7 साल की कैद और 5 साल तक का जुर्माना. So the slogan this year for us is Save the Savior. Zero tolerance. Save the Savior. As far as the youngsters are concerned, I have only one word to say. Do your best. You can. Until you can do better. And when you know the better, do better. And long live this medical fraternity. I can only say, it's a painful for me to say, as an expert member of DMC and now NMC, is that 50% litigations are against doctors. You cannot be careful unless you do this particular course which has been brought down to you. This is, I think, the people who have done it already, I definitely feel that each one of you should do this particular course, and that is why it has been brought to you. And secondly is that your colleagues, because of jealousy, instigate the litigations against you. Delhi Gynecologist Forum has tried its best to see to it this unity is there and we do not speak bad about each other. But koi kisi ke dil ko to dekh nahi sakta. So I think all of us have to do that particular effort कि हम लोगों को ये जो बीच में gap है ना, उसको कैसे पाटना है. So I think all of you youngsters can definitely do this. And I can only say, long live this fraternity. Thank you very much. मैं आभा सूद का गाना जरूर सुनूंगी और उसके बाद में जाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे कहीं जाना है आज.
गाना आभा सूद नहीं गा रही है, डॉक्टर मेघा गा रही है हमारी तरफ से.
अच्छा, मैंने सोचा गाना आभा सूद गा रही है.
जरूर सुनाऊंगी मैडम.
चलिए ठीक है.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the motivational talk. And I invite Dr. Meenakshi Ahuja to please address the August gathering. Ma'am, you're muted.
Should we have the Vandana first?
Yes,
Dr.
we can have
Meenakshi?
Vandana.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vikrant, are you there? Yeah, please.
ओके स्टार्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है.
was a beautiful Saraswati Vandana presentation by Dr. Manju Barik from East Delhi. And now I invite Dr. Meenakshi Ahuja ma'am to please address the gathering.
Happy Doctors' Day to everyone. Echoing Madam Sharda Jain's words, this year has been harrowing and doctors were at the forefront fighting the corona pandemic. My homage first to my brethren who lost their lives, those who lost their loved ones, and those heroes in the ecosystem of the hospital. Hope we emerge stronger and finally get the respect we deserve, in the same vein as the armed forces who defend our borders as we defend our bodies. Today is a day of celebrating what we all do best, that is being doctors. We are all proud of our profession, and let's all let our hair down for a change. I welcome all of you to this joyful, fun-filled session of an hour or less, hosted by our Delhi Gynae Forum, East Delhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Meenakshi Ahuja ma'am. And now I request and take permission from Dr. Sharda Jain ma'am. And would you like to say a few words or we move on to cultural program? Ma'am, you're muted, please. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
मैंने तो बोल दिया.
Yes, ma'am. I seek your permission to move ahead with the cultural program, ma'am.
Please.
Okay. The first performance from a cultural program is from DGF Northwest, Delhi Gynae Forum Northwest, which is led by Dr. Abha Sood. And here we have a poem residential by Dr. Ruchi Singhal.
Hello, friends.
Vikrant, can you just for a minute hold the program? Like Dr. Abha Sood to say a few words.
No, it's okay. We are.
So, Dr. Abha, this is your forum, so we'd like you to just.
Yes, this is Dr. Ruchi Singhal from Northwest and on a very contemporary problem. And you hear it, and she'll tell you the truth. You know why we are in the situation where we are. So thank you very much. Let's move ahead.
Vikrant, please play the video.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर रुचि सिंघल रोहिणी से आपके लिए डॉक्टर्स डे में एक छोटी सी कविता अपने हृदय के उद्गार बताना चाहती हूँ। हम वर्षों से सम्मानित, इस विषय पर मेरी ये कविता है। वर्षों से सम्मानित हम क्यों हैं आज प्रताड़ित? वर्षों से सम्मानित हम क्यों हैं आज प्रताड़ित? हम बदल गए या बदल गया समाज? हम बदल गए या बदल गया समाज? कभी किया है किसी ने कभी किया है किसी ने इस पर विचार? नहीं, कभी नहीं किया, क्योंकि हम करते रहे अपना काम, और कब छीन लिए गए हमारे अधिकार और हमारा सम्मान हमें पता ही नहीं चला। क्योंकि हम करते रहे अपना काम, पर कब छीन लिए गए हमसे हमारे अधिकार और हमारा सम्मान। जो की थी हमने वर्षों की तपस्या और पाया था मानव मन और तन को समझने का ज्ञान। जो की थी हमने वर्षों से तपस्या और पाया था मानव मन और तन को समझने का ज्ञान, आज कैद है। कहाँ कैद है? आज कैद है इन्वेस्टिगेशंस के जाल में और 2 मिनट के मोबाइल ज्ञान। आपको पता है, सब आप लोग सब इस समस्या से जूझते होंगे कि 2 मिनट का मोबाइल ज्ञान हमारे लिए कितना घातक है। जो हमने वर्षों से की थी तपस्या, पाया था मानव मन को समझने का ज्ञान, आज कैद है इन्वेस्टिगेशन के जाल में और 2 मिनट के मोबाइल ज्ञान में। जो रिश्ता था प्यार का, विश्वास का एक मरीज के साथ, वो कहाँ गुम हो गया धीरे धीरे, हमें पता ही नहीं चला। जो रिश्ता था एक प्यार का, विश्वास का एक मरीज से, कहाँ गुम हो गया धीरे धीरे। पत्थरों के इस समाज में खोजती हूँ जिंदगी, मौन तूफानों का सामना करते हुए धीरे धीरे। पत्थरों के इस समाज में मैं खोजती हूँ जिंदगी, मौन तूफानों का करते हुए सामना धीरे धीरे। बाधाएं जो आईं तो बल मिला है मुझको और, बाधाएं, विपदाएं, आपदाएं, बाधाएं जो आईं तो बल मिला है मुझको और, विपदाओं ने तोड़ा तो मैं मजबूत हुआ और, विपदाओं ने तोड़ा तो मैं मजबूत हुआ और, देह का सूरज भी सच है। ये पंक्तियां हमारे आत्म मंथन के लिए है। देह का सूरज भी सच है, मन का सागर भी है सच। सिर्फ पैसा ही सच नहीं, पैसे के बाहर भी है कुछ सच। देह का सूरत भी सच है, मन का सागर भी है सच। सिर्फ पैसा ही नहीं, मन के बाहर भी, पैसे के बाहर भी कुछ है सच। पर कामना है मिलकर इस समाज को बनाने की, पर कामना है मिलकर वो समाज को बनाने की, वो आस्था जगाने की जो लाए विश्वास। क्यों कामना है हमारी कि वो लाए विश्वास हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी में कि हम सम्मानित थे और सम्मानित रहेंगे और अपना काम किया था हमने और अपना नाम भी करेंगे। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं समाप्त करती हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बहुत बढ़िया डॉक्टर अदिति, बहुत ही सुंदर चित्रण किया है आपने आज के हमारे डॉक्टर पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप्स को, बहुत बढ़िया। And with this, we move on to our next performance by DGF South, which is equally very, very good. And led by Dr. Anjila Aneja. I request ma'am to please introduce her team.
Hi, first I would like to wish everyone a very happy Doctor's Day. And we are going to get something very different and a very cheerful act by our Dr. Raka Guleria and Dr. Sujata Agarwal. So this is our Munna Bhai MBBS Part 3. Can you please share the video, please, Meenakshi?
Yes, Vikrant,
I
please.
think Sujata and Raka, you must say hello.
Hello everyone.
hello everyone. से आज हम आप लोगों को दिखाने जा रहे हैं मुन्ना भाई MBBS Part 3 और हमारे मुन्ना भाई डॉक्टर हैं डॉक्टर राका गुलेरिया
और हमारे सर्किट हैं डॉक्टर सुजाता अग्रवाल। तो आइए चलें मुन्ना भाई के देश में।
और बोलो मुन्ना भाई, इतने उदास क्यों नजर आ रहे हो मुन्ना भाई? बोलो बोलो बोलो।
सर्किट भाई, मुझे तो डॉक्टर ही बनना है, कुछ करो ना भाई, कुछ तो करो।
टेंशन न लो भाई, नो भाई, कोई टेंशन नहीं करने का। आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, आप डॉक्टर बन के रहोगे।
सच?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। चलो अभी हम आपको एडमिशन करा देंगे ना कॉलेज में। अब आप शहर चूज करो, कौन से शहर में बनना चाहते हो डॉक्टर?
अपन को तो दिल्ली भाग गया है, दिल वालों का शहर, और चिंकी भी तो वही है। चलो दिल्ली चले।
चलो भाई चले। एक वो कॉलेज है ना भाई, लेडी हार्डिंग, लेडीज वाला।
नहीं भैया, नहीं, वहाँ बड़ी सारी लेडीज है खतरनाक सी। कहीं और चल यार, कहीं और।
भाई एक मौलाना आजाद मेडिकल कॉलेज है, वो चलेगा क्या तुमको?
सर्किट
जी बॉस।
एक हमने एम्स का नाम सुना है, वो कैसा रहेगा?
भाई एम्स में तो वो जाता है जिसके बड़े बड़े एम हो। हमारा एम तो बस चिंकी भाभी है, हम क्यों जाएंगे वहाँ पे? मौलाना आजाद कर दो भाई, लॉक कर दो।
चलो लॉक किया
ये
मौलाना।
अब चलो बाइक निकालता हूँ, बैठ चलो। भाई क्या कॉलेज है, क्या बिल्डिंग है। अरे देखो तरह तरह के डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं।
ये सर्किट, यहाँ तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं भैया, मुझे तो बहुत डर लग रहा है।
नहीं भाई,
यहाँ नहीं
भाई, डरो नहीं भाई, कहाँ है डरने का? नहीं, सर्किट है ना, सब मरीज का इलाज। अभी तुम डॉक्टर बनाओ, अभी हम मरीज बनते हैं, अभी इसकी अभी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। लो पकड़ो, लिखो दवा।
हाँ चल।
डॉक्टर साहब मेरे नीचे के दांत में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, कुछ इलाज कर। नहीं इलाज कर दो भाई, कुछ इलाज कर दो। ये क्या डॉक्टर, नीचे के दांत में दर्द था, तुमने तो ऊपर का निकाल दिया भाई, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा?
ऊपर के दांत पे कीड़ा बैठा हुआ था जो नीचे के दांत को खा रहा था।
क्या
तो मैंने ऊपर का दांत निकाल के जड़ से निकाल दिया, तेरा दर्द खत्म।
मिला लो भाई, हो गए डॉक्टर बन गए ना। चलो इसी बात पे चेयर्स हो जाएंगे। चलो फिर से दूसरा मरीज। हाँ डॉक्टर साहब, मेरे को बड़ी खांसी आ रही है। डॉक्टर साहब कोई अच्छी सी दवा तो लिख के दे दो ना। ये भाई, अपन को खांसी था, तुमने तो हमको जुलाब आने वाला दवा लिख के दे दिया।
अरे बुद्धू समझ, खांसी आ रही है और मैंने तुझे जुलाब की दवा दी है, तो तू बाथरूम जाएगा ना, तो जब खांसी करेगा तो कुछ होगा ना।
हाँ।
तो तू खांसी नहीं करेगा,
तो
और
खांसी
फिर क्या हो जाएगा?
ये हुई तो बात। देखा मुन्ना भाई, तुम फालतू में डर रहा था क्या?
डॉक्टर बन गया।
चलो अब आखिरी बार रिहर्सल करते हैं। डॉक्टर साहब मुझे डॉक्टर साहब कोई अच्छी दवा लिख दो। डॉक्टर साहब जरा मीठी दवा लिखना, कड़वी तो अपन सिर्फ दारू ही पीता है, कुछ मीठी दवा लिख दो ना डॉक्टर साहब।
तो 1 किलो जलेबी लिख दो सुबह शाम,
देखा
सही हो जाएगा।
क्या बढ़िया दवा लिखा, 1 किलो जलेबी सुबह 1 किलो जलेबी शाम
और बीच में कड़वा दारू।
ये cheers, मुन्ना भाई अब आप पक्के डॉक्टर।
मुन्ना भाई MBBS।
और मुन्ना भाई टीका वीका लगवाने का है कि नहीं कोरोना से?
सर्किट टीका बिल्कुल लगवाने का है, लेकिन टीका लगवाने के बाद 2 गज की दूरी और मास्क है जरूरी।
तो भाई लोगों मास्क पहनो, टीका लगाओ और मस्ती करो, और हमारे दिल्ली में मुन्ना भाई MBBS पार्टी एंजॉय करो। बाय और नमस्कार। स्टॉप।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। मुन्ना भाई के बाकी नुस्खे लेना ले, लेकिन मास्क और टीका जरूर ले।
I think they have done a wonderful job. ये हीरू नंदानी भी क्या मुन्ना भाई बनाएगा, जो दिल्ली गायनी फोरम साउथ के लोगों ने। Actually, this is directed and produced by our Sujata only.
Yes,
She has written the script.
That's all.
And I think Raka has done a wonderful job.
Wonderful, मैम। मुन्ना भाई और सर्किट दोनों बहुत बढ़िया थे।
Thank
Now-
you.
Now we move on to the next program by East Delhi Gynae Forum. Dr. Jyoti Bhaskar will be introducing the team.
yes. I think after such a huge laughter that we have, so let's come to a little more serious business. What is East? actually- So East,
you can also introduce.
I think there's some people who need to be mute. So what does actually East mean? East is where the sun rises daily. East is where the sun rises every day, bringing with it hope, joy, brightness, and pride. And that is what actually qualifies the members of the family of East Delhi Gynecologist Forum. And today, the video that we have compiled, you'll actually see the tight bonds of courage, compassion, and a sense of purpose that binds all the members. And just enjoy this particular video. It will bring a lot of tears and a lot of courage within your own life. For the Vikrant for a
Vikrant ji, please play the video. Yes.
सुनो 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 सुनो।
विक्रांत जी रुक गई हमारी वीडियो सुनते ही, रीस्टार्ट कर दें प्लीज। Vikrant ji, are you there?
Vikrant ji,
I think his internet has gone off a little.
I think so.
मीनाक्षी एक बार फोन करके उनसे बात करना।
Meanwhile, if Dr. Abha is there, we can sing to her, listen to her song.
Dr. Abha Sood,
It's a recorded song by Dr. Megha.
Madam, that we will not be able to play now because that is not on with Vikrant. We have to give that.
So today, let me remember. To see a positive point in everything. So today when I got up, I got this line. भला हुआ मेरी माला टूटी, भला हुआ मेरी माला टूटी, मैं राम भजन से छूटी, मेरी I've forgotten the next slide, but it was very nice, It is to say that we should not waste our time in smaller things, but think about the longer benefits. So, अगर माला टूट गई है तो टूटने दो, but look for the next alternative.
Yes, that's true. Is Vikrant back? And actually, I think there's this particular person who's logged in as TMJIBZO plus MRT, a huge name. I think you need to mute yourself. Vikrant starting से करेंगे please. Back ले जाएं.
ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा.
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ.
I think the rising sun, क्योंकि आज दोपहर हो गई है ना, इसलिए वो
डॉक्टर मीना वो आज है ना हमारा कहाँ बैठी है नीचे.
ये प्लीज डॉक्टर चंद्रलता, आई थिंक आपकी आवाज है.
चंद्रलता प्लीज आप म्यूट.
सुनो 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 मेरी आवाज. सुनो सुनो नया ये साज. मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज. मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज. मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज. मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज. सुनो सुनो है सुनो सुनो. सुनो 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 मेरी आवाज. सुनो सुनो नया ये साज. मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज. मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज. मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज. मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज. सुनो सुनो है सुनो सुनो.
ना जाने कितने सपने, कितनी मंजिलें, कितने मेडल्स, कितनी खुशियाँ आपने हमारे रूप में जन्म ही नहीं लेने दी.
मुझसे चले ये जहान. मुझसे है तेरी ये शान. मुझसे मिले है भक्ति. मैं ही हूँ तेरी शक्ति. मुझसे मिले है भक्ति. मैं ही हूँ तेरी शक्ति. रोशन करूँ मैं जग को. कोई राह मेरी न रोको. मैं हूँ शक्ति मैं हूँ नारी. कोई समझे ना बिचारी. मैं हूँ शक्ति मैं हूँ नारी. कोई समझे ना बिचारी. सुनो 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 मेरी आवाज. सुनो सुनो नया ये साज. मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज. मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज.
हम प्रण करती हैं कि हमारा संघर्ष तब तक जारी रहेगा जब तक समाज की हर लड़की शिक्षित होकर सशक्त बनकर अपनी योग्यता के अनुसार अपनी परवाज भर अपनी मंजिल तक नहीं पहुंच जाती.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डॉक्टर इलोफा. मैं एक छोटी सी कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ. सहारा हूँ सभी का, जवाब हूँ सवाल का. हर मुसीबत का किनारा हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर तुम्हारा हूँ. मेरा सुकून इसमें है कि बचा लूँ तुम्हें. किसी भी दर्द से निकालूँ तुम्हें. हर नई पद्धति जो असरदार है अपना लूँ उसे. पर इंसान हूँ, मेहनत करता हूँ कि सब ठीक रहे. मुझे संतोष है कि मेरा कर्तव्य ही मेरा अस्त्र है, मेरा लक्ष्य है. विश्वास मेरा अस्त्र है. सबसे अच्छा परिणाम मिले ये मेरा स्वप्न है. जीने का अधिकारी मैं भी हूँ. प्यार सम्मान मुझे भी चाहिए. तुम्हारी एक प्रशंसा जीवन देती है मुझे. तुम्हारी खुशी ताकत है मेरी. सबके लिए जीकर प्रसन्न हूँ मैं. इसलिए गर्वान्वित हूँ मैं कि एक डॉक्टर हूँ मैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank
Very
you, ma'am.
nice. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent presentation by the East. I think Dr. Sharda Jain, madam, you have encouraged all of us to get together
And I hope it's our turn now from the
Yes,
central.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was going to introduce you only.
Okay, please do that. I would love to have a good introduction.
Okay. Next is the turn of Dr. Delhi Gynae Forum Central, which is led by Dr. Malvika Sabharwal, ma'am, which we all know she's a very talented, very humble, very nice doctor we have with us. And ma'am, would you like to introduce your team for the presentation?
You know, I'm very happy to be here, and all thanks to Dr. Sharda Madam that she has bestowed upon me the presidentship of Delhi Gynae Forum Central, which is very, very dynamic. I got this from Dr. Jyoti Bali, who had already had established a very good team. So without wasting any time, I would just like to introduce Dr. Tripti Sharan. Now, Dr. Tripti Sharan is representing I hope you can hear me.
We can't mute everyone else.
Can I request everybody to make it mute so that I will not get disturbed on that? Yeah. So, Dr. Tripti Sharan is a senior consultant OBGYN at BLK Hospital. She is an author. We all know her. She is an author with excellent books under her wings, which is A House of Doctors. It's a must read. I think we'll all enjoy that. Being Radha is another very, very sensitive book, Beyond Her Love and His Leela. I think she, more than being a doctor and a writer, she's an excellent human being. It was a birthday 2 days back. We wish her all the very best. And we really wish you a very good journey in your career, which is on the side. Madam Tripti, you have to come and give us your little poetry. Your prose, which we requested you. You sing very well, Tripti, but we wanted a prose from you. And thank you so much.
Vikrant, can you please play DGF Central, Dr. Tripti's video? Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Tripti Sharan and I'm a gynecologist at BLK Super Speciality Hospital. I'm also an author of several women-centric books. Lately, there has been an unprecedented rise of violence against doctors, and this has continued unabated despite the sacrifice in COVID times. Fearful and defensive doctors are not in the best interests of a country that suffers from scarcity of doctors. There is an immediate need to rectify this. One way of doing this is to increase awareness amongst people of the journey of medical students, which in turn may increase the empathy of people towards the medical fraternity. And that is where my book, House of Doctor, comes in. It tells you about how doctors survive in a redundant infrastructure, poor resources, and a whole world full of hope, anxiety, disease, and dread. It tells you about the endless studies, the long duty hours with no reprieve, and the pressure on the psyche to be always right. Medicine has its low, but there can be no high greater than that of saving lives. And this book tells you about the tenacity of the doctors to smile, to laugh, to love, to revel in their profession and spread hope and cheer. So let's understand our healers so that they can heal us better. Let's enter the house of doctors, but while you do so, please wear your mask over your nose. Stay safe, people. May God heal us all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Tripti.
Excellent. So we thank you very much, Dr. Tripti. You are our star from Delhi Gynae Forum Central.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Tripti. Now we move on to the next presentation by DGF West by Dr. Archana Pathak. Ma'am, would you like to introduce your team? And Vikrant, be ready to play the dance medley.
Dr.
Archana, you are muted, ma'am. Ma'am, you are
need to
muted.
unmute.
Okay, all right. Hi, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm Dr. Archana Pathak, President DGF West. And I congratulate everyone on this occasion of this Doctor's Day. And my team is going to present a dance medley, and it is going to start with Dr. Seema Sehgal, Dr. Megha, Dr. Sangeeta Minocha, Dr. Supreet, Dr. Kanika, Dr. Swati, and Dr. Shella. So they are going to be a part of it. Please enjoy the video.
Thank you, ma'am. Vikrant, please play the video. Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana Pathak, President DGF West, and I congratulate each and every doctor on the special occasion of Doctor's Day. And I wish to pay my homage to all the COVID martyrs who have selflessly laid their lives in these difficult COVID times. Thank you very much.
झूम झूम के गाते ओंकारा जो नाचों के नाच कहते आचक भूति बेल चढ़ाते चातक झूम झूम के गाते ओंकारा अर्ध चंद्र माथे पे ताजे बक्षस फल कपाल विराजे जटा चक्र से बहती निर्मल शिवधारा
It was a very beautiful presentation, beautiful dance medley, beautiful compilation and the participation from all the participants. With this, I move on to the next presentation by DGF North, which is led by Dr. Mamta Mittal. And Dr. Mamta Mittal, may I request you to please introduce your presentation. There will be two videos, we couldn't compile them together. So we'll be playing one after another.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dr. Vanna, our secretary, who's going to introduce our participants.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. It's Doctor's Day. I want to describe you a day full of smiles. Today, we are celebrating and appreciating the efforts of doctors, who are one of the most inspiring figures of the society. We have a dance by Dr. Sushila Gupta, past president and advisor DGF North, followed by a poster poem video by Dr. Madhu Verma, senior consultant OB-GYN. Both the painting and poem have been created by her.
Trunk, please play the video, back-to-back two videos.
से नूर के धागे तोड़ लाओ चांदनी से नूर के घूंघट ही बना लो रोशनी से नूर के शर्मा गई तो आगोश में लो हम सांसों से उलझी रही मेरी सांसें बोल हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के होंठ से हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के होंठ से हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के
Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
Vikrant, please the next video, please. Vikrant? Yes.
Doctor in my country is an angel, helping, curing, infusing positive energy, and working tirelessly. This is a small poem which a doctor is talking to his patient. डॉक्टर का मरीज से संवाद। आशा के दीप जलाती हूँ, आँखों को चमक दिलाती हूँ, देती हूँ सहारा नन्ही जान को, पेशे से डॉक्टर कहलाती हूँ। मैं धैर्य से सुन लेती हूँ, दुख सारे ही गिन लेती हूँ, घर की समस्याओं का हल दवा और बातों से समझाती हूँ, होंठों पर मुस्कान लाती हूँ, माथे की सिलवट हटाती हूँ, दर्द भरी इन आंखों में हौसलों के बीज उगाती हूँ। कितने विश्वास से आते हो, दुख का निवारण चाहते हो, हर रोग की दवा बनी कहाँ, खुश कभी दुखी हो जाते हो। तुम जैसे मानव ही तो हूँ, मौत पर आंसू बहाती हूँ, भाग्य को तो मिटा नहीं सकती, फिर भी आखिर तक जान लगाती हूँ। पेशे से डॉक्टर कहलाती हूँ, आखिर तक जान लगाती हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful performance and the beautiful painting and a beautiful, lovely poem. Now we move on to the next presentation by DGF Outer Delhi. We have Dr. Kishore Rajurkar with us. So you would like to say something about the presentation? And then we play video. Sir is there?
I can't see him over here.
Yeah, I can't see him. He was there. I just seen him. He was there and I had seen him a little earlier.
I think we'll start with the video and then maybe by
Yeah. We'll start with the video. Vikrant, please play the video.
हंस के बोला करो, बुलाया करो, हंस के बोला करो, बुलाया करो। आपका घर है, आया जाया करो, आपका घर है, आया जाया करो, हंस के बोला करो, बुलाया करो। मुस्कुराहट है हुस्न का जेवर, मुस्कुराहट है हुस्न का जेवर मुस्कुराना न भूल जाया करो, मुस्कुराना न भूल जाया करो। आपका घर है आया जाया करो, हंस के बोला करो, बुलाया करो। हद से बढ़कर हसीन लगते हो, हद से बढ़कर हसीन लगते हो, हद से बढ़कर हसीन लगते हो। झूठी कसमें जरूर खाया करो, झूठी कसमें जरूर खाया करो। आपका घर है आया जाया करो, आपका घर है आया जाया करो। हंस के बोला करो, बुलाया करो, हंस के बोला करो, बुलाया करो।
Thank you so much. By mistake, we had skipped one presentation, that is by DGF Southwest, Dr. Manali Mani ma'am. Poem by Dr. Anita Rajoria ma'am was submitted for the presentation, and I request Vikrant to please play the video. Dr. Mani or Dr. Anita Rajoria, are they? They are there in the video?
I am here. I am here.
I want to introduce. Want to say something?
I think Manali ma'am has joined. She's not there. I was trying to find out in participant list. She's not there. Welcome from DGF Southwest. I think Yashika Godesar is also submitted her poem, and she's there also. So if her video is not there, it will be presented by her in person after my video. So you can play my video. Happy Doctors Day to all.
Thank you, ma'am.
नमस्कार मित्रों, DGF साउथ वेस्ट की तरफ से आप सबको चिकित्सक दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। इस खास दिन मैं आप सबको समर्पित करती हूँ मेरी स्वयं रचित यह कविता, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। सब कुछ न कुछ खो रहे, कोरोना के प्रकोप से डर रहे, पर साहस से सामना मैं करूंगी। मैं नहीं डरूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। मेरे घनिष्ठ मित्र खो रहे हैं जान, थे मेरे दोस्त ये चिकित्सक महान। मैं भी पूरा करूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। नौकरी, व्यवसाय, साथियों का खो गया, कितने छात्रों का भाग्य अनायास सो गया। प्रशिक्षण और ज्ञान उपार्जन करती रहूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। चहु और जीवन अस्त व्यस्त है, नित नई बाधाएं सर्वत्र समस्त हैं। हर रुकावट का बहादुरी से सामना करूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। जनमानस महामारी से थक रहा, स्वजन खो हर परिवारजन रो रहा। उनको ढाढ़स और सहारा देती रहूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। भयभीत मानवता हो रही, मानसिक संतुलन खो रही। मैं मन, वचन और कर्म में सबल रहूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी, मैं नहीं डरूंगी। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. Beautiful poem. And now with this Dr. Yashika's presentation we can have later.
I am here.
We can put it in the group. Right, and now we had a slogan activity in the East Delhi Gynae Forum. Initially, we started and then we incorporated all the participants from all over the Delhi. So we compiled all the slogans which participants have given to us, and we had compiled it in a form of a video. We will be playing that video, and by the time our judges are finalizing the prizes for the slogan competition, after the video, we will be announcing that. So Vikrant, can you please play the slogan video?
Vikrant, please mute everyone.
Thank you. These were all the slogans which we had received till 11 o'clock yesterday night. We had all compiled it in the form of a video. And I request the judges to please declare the results. Dr. Yashika's video I'll be putting to
Dr. Meenakshi.
Dr.
Dr. Uma Rai must be there. Ma'am should be there.
Dr. Uma Rai, ma'am.
मैडम आज कहाँ हो?
मैं यही हूँ.
आप फोन नजर नहीं आ रहे हो, बोलो तो.
नजर नहीं, वीडियो नहीं है.
मैं वीडियो ऑन
करो.
यस मैम.
यार मैं तैयार
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
आप बहुत सुंदर लगते हो.
आप जूम मजाक मत करो तुम लोग. हाँ
नहीं कर रहे.
Unable to assess camera.
We love you. It doesn't matter.
नहीं आ रहा यार. Allow Zoom to assess your camera. ओके भी कर दिया मैंने.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं मैम, नहीं आ रहा.
मैम नीचे वीडियो
नहीं आ रहा ना. हाँ स्टार्ट वीडियो वाला है ना, वही वाला ना. हाँ उसको वो हट ही नहीं रहा यार.
आपकी आवाज बहुत बुलंद आ रही है मैम.
हाँ आवाज ही चलेगी. अच्छा है ना, शक्ल नहीं दिखेगी तुम्हें.
घर आ जाएंगे सब.
घर आ जाओ, यू वेलकम. पता नहीं क्यों ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा है यार वीडियो.
कर रहे मैम.
और मैम
नहीं शारदा को बोलो, वो आएगी. मैंने ना एक्चुअली भूल गई थी मैं इसलिए माफ कर देना।
आज कुछ बोल दो,
अभी तो मैं
कुछ
सडनली
बोल दो।
मुझे याद आया कि यार आज तो वो करना था। देखा, यही होता है ना।
देखा, मैंने बोला था मीनाक्षी को सुबह सुबह।
तूने बोला, आई नो
मैंने किया था
नहीं,
फोन
उस
सवेरे
स्लोगन
सवेरे।
का ना पिक्चर्स की आप अनाउंस कर दो।
कर दे प्लीज।
It was really, all were so nice, very difficult. I felt that I am choosing sari on a sari shop and I am liking all of them. And then I had selected a few, and then out of them, Dr. Meenakshi has chosen Dr. Shobha as the first prize, Dr. Shobha Chadda. And second was Dr. Praveen, and third was Dr. Seema. And others were very good. Dr. Manju Agrawal as Dr. Umar has said, Dr. Manju Sharma, Dr. Meena, and many less entries were from other branches. East Delhi participated with full.
This time, ma'am.
And one I should mention, the last one, Manju Agrawal of the other branch. She's a younger one.
TJ West.
She actually, it was a funny slogan. What she has written: we are gynecologists, one call away, they are all at your cervix. I like it.
That was really
It was fun.
Really wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
we're looking forward to more participation next time from all the branches. Because I think as it is, whatever event we have now as a thing, I think we should have a habit that there's going to be one slogan competition. I
Yes,
know
ma'am, it
Dr.
should be.
Anita Rajoria is very active from the other branch. She always participates. But to have that thing that every time there's going to be a slogan competition and we look forward to it, I think that should be there. Like all the branches should be participating.
I agree completely.
Give us some more time.
Yeah. That was also the reason.
Dr. Malvika, this whole
Dr. Malvika, we have, frankly, that's what when I started, I said that this time we have hijacked East Delhi's program because they were the only ones who were ready with it. We should have a celebration, and now we have decided that 8 events in 2 years means that every branch will be taking responsibility of one social event. East Delhi is lucky because they've been doing these for so long. Whether it is going to be virtual at that time or physical, depending on the circumstances, it is going to be the responsibility of one branch to host one event in 2 years. I don't think it's a big ask at all.
No, it should not be big. In fact, it should be very good. But East Delhi has been doing so beautifully so far.
Yes, I think, we have a lot to learn from them. And I'm sure they're going to be there to guide us always. But we must also learn that we are equal participants and equal with, rights come responsibilities. That's what Spider-Man said. So we have to understand that it is our responsibility also to arrange for a program and take the initiative that we are going to do this. Rather than, just piggybacking on East Delhi Forum every time.
And Meenakshi, frankly speaking, the camaraderie that comes out of it, the bond that gets made, I think it's amazing. It's really amazing. It never.
I think all credit goes to Dr.
Everybody's so
Shadagan,
busy.
ma'am.
Oh yes, I fully agree with you. Madam, I fully agree with you. Absolutely, beautifully done by.
We really pressurized you all too much because we had less than 48 hours to compile the whole.
But amazing program. Hats off to
बड़ा मजा आ गया. I mean, excellent.
But
everyone was a wonderful program.
And Meenakshi, special mention of Meenakshi Sharma.
Yeah.
I think Dr.
Meenakshi
Jyoti
Sharma,
Agarwal
she's
is
worked
there.
so hard.
Dr. Jyoti
Yes, ma'am.
Agarwal is there, I think.
With this, I think we are well within the time of 1 hour. We had been given a 1 hour and all the 8 forums. And we were so time restraints were there with us. We couldn't include a few video and we would be putting it in the group. And now I request Dr. Jyoti Agarwal ma'am from East Delhi Gynae Forum, past president, ma'am, Dr. Jyoti Agarwal ma'am, to please say a few words to conclude the session.
And she's also the treasurer of the Central DGF. So
Great.
Dr. Jyoti ma'am.
Meenakshi,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you. And
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good evening now. Good evening to my dear friends. Today I stand up to say a heartfelt thank you for a wonderful time spent together. क्योंकि मजा तो सबके साथ ही आता है. And definitely ये दिल मांगे more, but yes, time prevails and we have to pause a little. On this happy Doctor's Day, I stand up with a peaceful mind and a heart full of gratitude for all the mercies God has given us the day He made us healers. Every day we are faced with lot of challenges and obstacles, but I always believed that something wonderful is always about to happen. I passionately believe that the day our Creator made me a doctor, He said, I quote, I know you may be struggling for a long time, financially, spiritually, emotionally, every field, but always remember, I am with you. Fear not, hold on to your faith. With this supreme confidence on this Doctor's Day, July 1st, 2021, I can vouch on behalf of each and everyone present that we live by our honor code. That is, we are ethical, we treat with dignity and respect, we keep our words and commitment, we act responsibly, do our duty, we are accountable too. We keep our words and commitment, and most important, we live by our values. Today, we proud souls take pride in our profession and pledge to strive forward. A single small word of thank you from a grateful patient has immense worth for us, which no other profession can even realize. Happy Doctor's Day to all of you. Stay happy, stay healthy, and be positive all the time. Namaskar.
And I would like to specially thank our EDGF team, which includes Dr. Meenakshi, Dr. Shama Batra, Dr. Seema Gupta, who worked day and night. They've really worked day and night, being the techies, to be able to get the whole thing.
Thank you from our
Really
side,
need to
from
give
DGF
them-
thoughts to everyone. And especially, we really loved Dr. Sujata Arora's Munna Bhai. It's going to stay in our memory forever. Well done.
Yes. And all the forums and the presidents and the secretaries and the teams for coming over onto the same platform and to celebrate the day together. Thanks very much. And I know all of you are waiting to run for Takshini on the AOGD platform. Many of us are participating there. So have a great time. Enjoy the evening. Enjoy the day. Celebrate it with your family and have a great time. Thank you so much.
Just like Munna Bhai continues.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Just like
madam.
Munna Bhai continues, we will be presenting all the videos in the chat group. So we will be having a virtual celebration on the WhatsApp also in a day or two.
Yeah, beautiful it
Thank you,
was.
madam. Thank you,
Lovely,
madam.
loved the program.
Thank you, Meenakshi.
Yeah.
We've made you
Thank
stay
you,
up all night also to
Yes.
come up with such a good flow of events. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, everyone.
Thank you,
so
Dr.
much.
Mahavi.
Thank you.
Dr.
Special
Very,
thanks
very
to
happy
East Delhi
Doctor's Day
Gynae
to all.
Forum team
Happy
for
Doctor's Day.
organizing this so well. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Dr. Meenakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
And a special thanks to Torrent, who have provided